It is late at night. The house is very quiet. Lily opens her eyes slowly. Mom, I feel strange tonight. My body feels hot. Come here, Lily. Let me touch your head. Oh dear, your head feels very warm. I feel tired and weak. I want to sleep, Mom. Try to breathe slowly, Lily. I am here. I feel scared. Please don't leave me. Dad, please wake up. What is happening? Is Lily okay? She feels very hot. Her fever is high. I am worried. Mom, Dad, why are you talking? I feel dizzy. Lily is sick, Tom. Is it serious? Lily, look at me. Are you listening? I don't feel good. Let me check the thermometer. Okay, Mom. The number is very high. Her skin feels warm and cold. She is shaking a little. My heart feels fast. Please help me, Mom. The night feels long, dark, and quiet, and fear slowly fills the small room around us now. We cannot wait any more. She needs help now. We must go to the hospital. Yes, let's go right now, together. I am scared, Mom. I am right here with you. Please don't leave me. I will not leave you. The doctor will help you. Will it hurt, Dad? No, it will be okay. I trust you. Can I come with you? Yes, stay close to us. Please help watch Lily. I will, Mom. Hold on, Lily. I feel strange, Dad. It is very late at night. The street is quiet. We must go now. I am scared too. We will be okay together. Are you ready, Amy? Yes, I am ready. Let's go slowly. Thank you for helping me. We love you, Lily. I will try to be brave. Try to rest your eyes. Okay, Mom. Your skin still feels warm. I feel cold and hot. That can happen with fever. Do you want some water? Yes, just a little. Drink slowly, Lily. Okay. We are almost there. Thank you for driving carefully. Try to rest, Lily. I feel very tired. We are here now. Let's be careful. The lights are very bright. I know, but it is safe. It is very quiet here. The night feels long. My daughter has a high fever. Please sit here and wait. Mom, I feel dizzy. Hold my hand tightly. Will the doctor come soon? Yes, very soon. I'm wiping your face. Thank you, Mom. Please come this way. We are ready now. I feel weak, Dad. I'm holding you. Hello, Lily. I'll check you now. Okay, doctor. Her fever is high. I'm very worried. She needs medicine now. Please help her feel better. This will help your fever. Will it hurt me? It may feel cold. I can do it. Drink slowly, please. Okay. You're doing very well. I feel a little better. Her fever should go down. Thank you, doctor. You are very brave. Thank you. Try to sleep now, Lily. I feel sleepy, Mom. Her breathing sounds calmer. Yes, she looks relaxed. Her head feels less hot. That is a good sign. Is Lily sleeping now? She is resting quietly. Mom, I feel tired again. That is okay. Try to rest your body. You are doing very well. I feel a little better now. I was very scared before. That feeling is normal. You stayed calm. That helped a lot. I tried my best. Can I sleep now? Yes, you can sleep. I'm right here. Okay, Mom. The night is very quiet. The hallway is empty. Time feels very slow. How is Lily now? She is much calmer. Her fever is going down. That is good news. I feel better now. Me too. I feel very tired. You can sit and rest. You are very brave. Thank you, Dad. She is sleeping deeply. That helps her body heal. We should keep her warm. Yes, that is good. Is it morning already? Almost. Lily, are you awake? My head hurts less. That is very good. I feel better now. You scared us last night. I am sorry. You don't need to say sorry. We are glad you are okay. Lily looks much better. Thank you, doctor. She can go home soon. That is great news. She can go home now. Thank you so much. We will go slowly. Hold my hand, Dad. I am here. The sky looks lighter now. The night is ending. I feel sleepy again. That is okay. Rest helps healing. The room feels calm. Everything is quiet. Lily is breathing softly. Her face looks peaceful. I am very thankful. We did our best. Yes, we stayed strong. She is safe now. That matters most. Let her sleep. She needs rest. We will stay close. We are getting ready to leave. Take your time, Lily. I feel weak, Mom. That is normal. Hold my arm gently. Okay. The morning air feels cool. The hospital is quiet now. Thank you for helping us. You are welcome. Get some rest at home. We will. Sit comfortably, Lily. I want my bed. We are almost there. Try to sleep a little. Okay, Mom. This night was very long. Yes, but we are safe. You scared me last night. I'm sorry, Dad. It is okay. I'm just happy now. We are home again. Let's go inside slowly. Okay. This is your bed. It feels warm and soft. You need a lot of rest. I will sleep now. We will be quiet. Thank you for caring. Your fever is almost gone. That feels good. She looks peaceful. Yes, she does. You should rest too. I am very tired. She's sleeping well. That's good. The house is quiet again. Morning light fills the room. Everything feels calm. I am thankful. Last night was scary, but we are okay now. We did everything right. Yes, we did. Her body needed help, and she got it. Sleep helps healing. We will stay close. She is breathing softly. Her face looks relaxed. We will let her rest. This home feels safe. I am grateful. The morning feels peaceful. Birds are singing outside. Lily is still sleeping. Her fever is gone. She looks comfortable. We should let her rest. Yes, she needs it. The house is quiet. Everyone is tired, but we feel relieved. Last night was long. It felt scary at times, but we stayed together. That made us strong. Lily is breathing slowly. Her face looks calm. That is a good sign. She is healing now. We will watch her closely. She needs care and love. We are here for her. No matter what. The sun is rising. A new day begins. Lily opens her eyes. Mom, I feel better. That is wonderful. My head doesn't hurt. I'm happy to hear that. Can I sleep more? Yes, rest more. Your body needs it. Okay. She closes her eyes again. Her breathing stays calm. The room feels warm. Everything feels safe. We will keep it quiet. She needs peace. The night is over. The fear is gone. Only calm remains. We made it through, together as a family. That is what matters. Lily is safe now. She is healing well. We will stay hopeful. This home is full of care. Love fills the room. Rest fills the night. A calm day begins. We are back home now. Lily, we are here. I want my pillow and blanket. Hold on, Lily. Okay, Dad. I feel happy she is better. Me too. Sit down slowly, Lily. I feel sleepy again. That is okay. Try to close your eyes. Okay, Mom. This night felt very long. Yes, but we are safe now. You scared us last night. I'm sorry, Tom. You do not need to be sorry. I'm glad to be home. Me too. Let's walk inside carefully. Okay. This is your bed now. It feels warm and soft. You need plenty of rest. I will sleep now. I will stay very quiet. Thank you, Tom. Your fever is almost gone. That feels nice. She looks calm now. Yes, she does. You should rest as well. I am very tired. She's sleeping well now. That is good. You also need rest. Thank you. I was very scared before. I know. You did everything right. We stayed together. We did our best. She is sleeping deeply now. Yes, her body needs rest. Let us keep the house quiet. Yes, we will not wake her. She looks much better now. Yes. She looks peaceful. The room feels calm and safe now, and everyone breathes slowly, knowing the hard night has finally ended together. Here,